Now let's talk about the data compression in SAP HANA. The column store tables allows the efficient compression of data. This makes it less costly for SAP HANA database to keep data in main memory, and it also speed up searches and calculations. In SAP HANA, there are two types of data compressions: dictionary compression and advanced compression. Dictionary compression is the default method of compression and is applied to all the columns in table. It involves the mapping of distinct column values to the consecutive numbers so that instead of actual value being stored, the typically much smaller consecutive number is stored. In advanced compression, each column can be further compressed using different compression methods such as prefix encoding, run length encoding, cluster encoding, and indirect encoding. The SAP HANA database uses compression algorithm to determine which type of compression is most appropriate for a column. In this video, I will only explain you about dictionary compression type. Advanced data compressions are out of the scope of this course. Now let's take an example. Here, this table shows sales information. As we know, SAP HANA by default use dictionary compression to compress all the columns in table. For that purpose, it creates dictionary which holds all the distinct values in a particular column. For example, here this dictionary holds all the distinct values in column country. When we save this data into database, in place of saving all these actual values like United States, France and New Zealand, we will save its value ID correspond to those values in database. So you can see here United States is get replaced by value ID 1, since in dictionary United States value ID is 1. Similarly, France gets saved as 2 because the value ID of France in dictionary is 2. Similarly, New Zealand gets saved as 3, and again United States, it gets saved as value ID 1, and so on. You must be wondering why we are not directly storing the actual values, but we are storing the value IDs correspond to that actual values in database. This is because, as you know, for each character to store we require 1 byte. So similarly, if you want to save this complete column country, it will take 71 byte. But in place of storing the actual values, if we stored it in form of integer, let's say the value ID type is integer, in that case it will total cost you 28 bytes. So you can see the difference. This difference will be more if the length of data in column country is more. SAP HANA is so intelligent that it directly work on compressed column and not on actual column. And this is how data compression works in SAP HANA.
Data compression in SAP HANA benefits us three different ways. First, it reduces the amount of memory required. Second, it speeds up the operation on column because the columns can be loaded into CPU cache faster and with fewer loading cycles. The third benefit is it speeds up the operation on columns because many comparisons become integer value comparisons since these are faster than string comparisons. So this is how we get benefited by data compression in SAP HANA.